man. My dog is rapping that ass. Fuck that though. You judging niggas out their phone though.
Hell no. I would have given
What the? Is he picking her booty?
You lifting your
she did Chicago motherfuckers out.
I know a better posture.
Dookie, where you going?
Yes, sir.
I ain't to you. Look, you on you.
Damn. And she put a fucking on screen.
My dog got some.
And that's a video. This is real.
Is that my ex?
I'm outside, you inside. I'm outside, you inside.
Now let's get to the shit, man. Damn, shit out of shit. Who made that?
Hey, 900K, man.
That's my twin.
Today, bro, that merch.
That's my twin.
In the description, man. Let's go, man. Y'all make sure y'all sub up, bro. Hey, the board say Q and Dirt not fucking nothing, man. Them is not gonna hit nothing while they in my head.
No, not me.
Hey, not him. This nigga, bro, Q and Dirt not gonna fuck. Hey, what you think, man? You think you gonna hear something while you down here, man?
Y'all remember Omigo? That's my twin.
What? I feel you, my brother. I ain't hearing nothing while I'm down here.
Criminal.
Huh?
Smooth criminal.
You smooth criminal. You try to back on me last night?
I didn't mean to.
That's tough right there. Hey, look, man. Man, stop getting in trouble, man. Don't tell him what he did. Free my dog, though.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? See this right here? I need that right there. I need to give me one of these right here. What they at? God damn, baby boy.
Hey, I just wanna get a gummy phone. Fuck all that.
What's up, my boy? I just want to spend some money, man. Hey,
Who should you?
Some money, man. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of bitches with this phone, with this flip phone right here, man. Huh? Oh yeah, baby girl. Goddamn, dribble and shoot, baby boy.
What you mean, my boy?
Yeah, dribble and shoot, man. How many numbers do I can get with this flip phone right here? With a flip phone right here, huh?
$100?
But you ain't gonna do nothing, man. You can't get no number with this right here.
Oh, I can't. I think when you put them motherfuckers out, you might get about a good 10.
But look, I'm gonna secure the number first. I'm like, hey, baby, you want to say woo woo? You got a boyfriend? Yeah. Let me get your number, type woo woo. And when they say yeah, I'm like, oh, what the f is that? What? So I'm gonna pull it out, and then I'm like, what the fuck? Yeah, so I'm
Must
like,
get bitches.
that too. That motherfucker real? Nah, I just bought it for like $30. 30, right? It was 30.
You gay as hell.
Ain't about 30.
You gay.
Oh yeah, you like that right there?
I would definitely say the same thing.
Yes, sir.
I ain't to you. Look, you on you.
Damn. And she put a fucking on screen.
My dog got some pretty eyes, man. That motherfucker real? Nah, I just bought it for like $30. 30, right? It was 30.
She walked in, ain't no bitch in there like that.
Ain't about 30. Oh yeah, you like that right there?
I would definitely say the same thing.
Yes, sir.
I ain't to you. Look, you on you.
My nigga do got some pretty ass eyes.
My dog got some
With a
pretty
bearded
eyes,
twist.
man. Dog got some very nice eyes.
Come on, put them in the
man.
background.
We're gonna get some numbers, man.
Come on, put them in the background that said the $100 bet.
Wait, are y'all taking a picture?
Nah.
Okay. Can I take a picture?
Oh yeah, you can take a picture.
Come on, you're not even taking my picture for real.
Yeah, he taking your picture.
I swear to God, he not.
Bro, you gotta really pose.
Nah, I saw the guy, he not crazy.
Yeah, y'all gotta pose. Yeah.
That motherfucker in the back, not it.
Yes, man, pose.
Did you really get it? Can I see?
Still going.
It's still recording. You're bullshitting. That's a video. This is real.
Is that my ex? Yo, is that my ex?
Yes, ma'am, pose.
Did you really get it? Can I see?
Still going.
It's still recording. You're bullshitting. That's a video. This is real life.
Yeah, this is real life.
I thought that was a fucking.
How you doing?
Look at my head. That's what I'm
Ain't no such thing as loss, baby girl. Ain't no such thing as a loss.
Yes, ma'am.
Get the camera. Yeah.
I gotta record.
But you can't be
No. They ain't my ass got dreads now. My ass got dreads now, so they can't be my ass. You know what I'm saying? My ass got dreads now, so I know they ain't her.
Chilling, man. You know what I'm saying?
But why y'all go on man's dick like that?
You need my number?
I need your number, man. You know what I'm saying?
That's your phone.
You gonna play me like that right there? Hey, you gonna
Nah, the
play me
laugh is
like
crazy.
that right there?
The laugh of my man Gub is crazy.
Come on, your number or not,
Put
man.
that back up. Put that back up. You don't need
Hold
that.
on, it's a video. Hold on, don't do
You
it.
don't need that. I'm like, you don't need that. It's big.
But it's fucked up though, boy. When you judging niggas off their phone, boy, my dog is rapping that ass. Fuck that though. You judging niggas off their phone though.
Yeah, I would've given
What the? Is he figuring her booty hole? My man all up in that motherfucker like this. Damn, boy. He horny as hell. Beautiful ass, nigga. Damn, what the fuck, boy?
It's big.
But it's fucked up though, boy.
On this, all in that
You
ass.
judging niggas off their phone, boy, my dog is rapping that ass. Fuck that though. You judging niggas off their phone though.
Yeah, I would've gave you my number still. Like, that's cool.
But niggas.
Fuck Quavius Kenyatta Marshall. Who the fuck
I'm
is
just
that?
doing it to see if I can, you know what I'm saying, type shit. Yeah,
You probably ain't gonna get no number.
I'm already knowing. It didn't work with you, but it's gonna work with somebody else.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, I do need your number for real though.
You need my number?
Yep. What's your name?
Nicole.
He trying. What, son?
I'm just gonna hit you with
Oh,
my
you gonna
name.
text me with your name?
Yeah.
Man. I can't do that.
Yes, ma'am. Bet. Say that, man. For sure. Nice to meet you though.
Nice to meet you.
She cute, though. Like, she cute. She cute.
Alright, bet. Hey, look, man, Duke be working, bro. His story is motivational,
What
man.
the
That boy
fuck?
came from the military, hustling. Now he getting back to his dog. You feel me? I fuck with all y'all boys got going on, man.
For sure,
Oh,
man.
yeah,
I
boys,
know what
for
you
real.
out
I
here
know his
doing. I know
story,
you out
man.
here going crazy.
You know, I be on the TikTok, like, they be like,
I already know who you is.
You know,
what I'm saying?
I
I know
get
you're
no fly real quick.
Yeah, man, let's do this, man.
Hey, look what I got in the building, man.
Yes, sir.
Come on now. I would say do right, but that boy got the.
Oh yeah, not no more, man. I ain't doing
Come
that
on
no
now.
more, man. You know
Yeah, that
what
boy do out here. That boy
what you got going on,
though?
though? What you got going on? What you out here doing?
Hey,
I
man,
know what you
yeah.
out here doing, but I want
Hello,
to hear
come on,
what you
yeah.
out here doing.
I'm out here working.
Okay.
I'm saucing. Then I'm finna go be in the Smash Pass and do what I do.
Okay.
That's what I do right here.
You think you gonna get pass or what?
They smashing. And look, I'm not just gonna get smashed. I'm bringing them back. I need.
Hey, chat. They smash her, right?
I'm with you. I be seeing you, boy. You be going crazy as hell,
Man, we all be working. All the
He
boys
got
be
smashed,
working.
though.
Real quick, Instagram, all that. I know they know who
Like
he is.
he look-
Nah, but hey, but my shit filming too.
What?
Man. Make sure y'all go check out my dog.
Hey man, look, extra wavy. Look, remember the name, remember
they
the
done
face.
seen you,
Be all
man.
over the place, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man, they'll see you all over TikTok, man. For sure, man. Hey, this video gonna be so fire, but I need to learn how to keep my laugh in. You know what I'm saying? If I keep my laugh in and actually be with a straight face, whenever they say, bro, what the hell is that?
Right.
I'll be straight, but it's hard though, bro. It's hard.
What I'm saying, freaky as hell.
I'm gonna get it.
Cause I do watch y'all. I got my gear.
Yeah, no, boy. What'd you say? Oh yeah? Yeah, I appreciate it. You look good too, man. For sure. Matter of fact, man, I need to get your number or something, man. Come here, man. Hey, look. Put your phone number in this right here.
Dude, why do you have a flip phone?
Alright, man, I can't do it, man. I can't do it. No.
You can't do
Yeah,
it.
no, I'm doing.
Not the flip phone.
No, I'm
Wait.
trying, bro. I'm trying to get your number or something, man. Come here, man. Hey, look. Put your phone number in this right here.
Dude, why do you have a flip phone?
Alright, man, I can't do it, man. I can't do it. No.
Nah, this nigga laughing too much. He's selling, dude.
I'm doing.
Not the flip phone.
But she's so slight.
I'm trying to keep a straight face.
I'm
trying to keep a straight
What are
face.
you trying to do with the flip phone?
I'm trying to see if I can actually get, you know what I'm saying, female's number with the flip phone, but I keep laughing when I pull it out.
Yeah, you gotta stop laughing.
Yeah,
You gotta be more serious.
If I start laughing, I can get it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, type shit.
Yeah.
Can he get hooked?
Next
Like,
time I'm straight
y'all
up.
think he was gonna get hooked if he
You
didn't
gotta
laugh?
be like serious face.
Yeah.
You gotta be like 10
Straight
times more
up,
serious.
straight up type
You
shit.
feel me? This is, you feel me?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
Duke,
put-
can I
put
get your number type shit?
Yeah,
you feel me?
yeah.
And
Oh,
then
okay,
pull it
shorty.
out.
Yeah,
And
without
then
laughing.
she start laughing, you be like, man.
Like, what the fuck you laughing
Like,
at?
what the fuck you laughing at?
Yeah,
You feel me?
type
Give me your number. You either you gonna give it, you're not gonna get it.
Damn, she deal with Chicago niggas.
Oh, word? Okay, bet. Say less. All right, bet. You lifting your
She deal
butt
with
too,
Chicago
like,
motherfuckers out.
I
Street
know a
ass.
better posture.
Well, hey,
Dookie, where you going?
Hey,
If you
Nah.
put your ass on me, boy, I would slap the fuck out you, boy.
Testing your limits.
That was crazy. Nah, that right there is crazy. What the fuck? Crazy.
Yeah, I want a picture with you, my nigga.
What the fuck is going on in this video? She cute.
Can I get a picture?
Of course.
I ain't gonna say about her. She like she about 13, 15.
Okay. Yeah. What's up? Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Can I get a picture?
Start talking to you, bitch. What you mean, my boy?
Thank you.
Tell her to come here.
Amaya?
Yeah.
Amaya.
Yeah. Huh?
Sorry. What happened?
What's your name?
Amaya.
My name Duke. Nice to meet you.
You too.
You got a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh, shit. Bitch, wait. Wait, was Kai here yesterday?
Yeah, but he gonna be here later.
Okay, thank you.
Ooh-wee.
Or is that fan behavior?
Of course not.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You look good or whatever. What's your
My
name?
name Duke. What's yours?
Desi.
Where you from?
Chicago.
Oh shit, some Chicago niggas just walked out, man.
They was finna get down on your ass.
Nah, they was cool ass
What
niggas.
you mean,
bro.
nigga? What you mean?
Yeah.
Y'all can hear me. Y'all can hear me. Y'all can definitely hear me.
You gonna take a
Fucking on my
picture?
reaction,
Yes,
man.
ma'am.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hold on, wait. The bundles, you feel me? Forget a second. They all poofy. I was looking for you yesterday.
Oh, you were looking for me? Well, you found me, man.
I know, right? How long you out here for?
Matter of fact, man, come here, man.
Yeah. What's going on? Stop playing.
Oh, man. What you say your name was?
Desi, nigga. Desi. Say that shit
You got a
twice.
Desi Banks?
You got a boyfriend?
No.
I can have your number?
Do you have a
What?
girlfriend, nigga?
I'm out here talking to you
You
on the
feel
strip.
me? Yeah.
I'm in public talking to you.
I feel you now. I ain't got no boyfriend.
Yeah, I'm finna get that then.
Where you from?
I'm from South Carolina. I live in Atlanta though.
Oh, goddamn. They say shit like that, don't they?
What you trying to say? I'm like country or something?
Yeah,
Type shit.
very much so.
Okay. Yeah, man. Put your
pull that motherfucker.
Put your number right there.
Excuse me, sir. What's going on?
Hold on.
What you a drug dealer or something?
Bro, y'all trying to play me like that, bro. What you trying to say?
Hold on.
Goofy.
You see how you took them up a goddamn?
Country or something?
Yeah,
Type shit.
very much so.
Okay. Yeah, man. Put your
pull that motherfucker.
Put your number right there.
The
Excuse me,
confidence.
sir. What's going on?
What you a drug dealer or something?
Hold on. Talk can't fucking hold follow the goddamn child or react to the damn video. You fucking rock. You literally said stop talking, start talking in your vids. Say a fucking name next time. You mop dread, dirty water smelling ass bitch. You Chris Bosh looking ass nigga. You fat, funky, stanky, musty, dirty diaper. Oh shitty booty smelling bitch.
I'm trying to play me like that, bro. What you trying to say? Yeah, man.
Okay, shorty.
Telefono? What that say?
Nah, give me the real shit. Fuck you talking about?
Not the flip, not the trap phone.
Not,
Give me the real.
it's crazy.
Not the
I'll just
trap
fuck around with you,
phone.
see what you was
Man,
on.
look at-
That's it, bro.
I don't get no
Hold on.
You got a little flip.
Not the scamming line.
I'll just see
She
what
know
you
this
was
nigga
on.
got for real.
That's it,
She
man.
fucking around.
Text me, it's cool. Oh shit, I try to say my name, but I text you to my name though.
That's cool. I know who it is.
It's Desi. Say that shit twice.
I see you. You typed that shit twice. So just, you know what I'm saying?
Somebody see you type that shit twice.
We was looking for you.
Yo.
Oh yeah, really? For the matter of fact, yeah. What's up?
What's up, shorty?
What y'all was looking for me for?
Why else?
Oh shit. I like that.
She on you. She on
What's
you.
his name?
What's up, man? You got a boyfriend?
What you say?
What's up?
What you say?
What y'all was looking for me for?
Why else?
Oh shit. I like that.
She said for a threesome?
She on you.
What's up, man? You got a boyfriend?
No, you better go.
Okay, nope. Nope. Put your number in this right here.
He trying to slide. It's snowflakes.
Which fan am I?
They ain't no fucking ill today snowflakes.
Who?
Which fan am I?
Yes, sir.
Snow boys take care of black nigga for sure. But they not snow bunnies.
Sorry, man.
I'm
Don't
on
even-
Chris. What's that?
Shit like Mexican some shit.
Where y'all from?
New York. You already know the vibe.
Yes, sir. Hey, look, New York.
Cribble
New York
Chris.
motherfuckers some good vibes, man. Y'all welcome to the crib, man. All y'all should, especially you.
Especially her. Yeah.
Especially her.
But yeah, nah. I got you, bro. I'll just fuck around. I'll
Yeah,
just
I know.
fuck around with you.
All them
For real though,
motherfuckers.
where's my man? No, like, where's
All them motherfuckers
tell
pretty
fam I
up.
love him.
Hey, Phantom.
The fuck out
She love you, bro.
When you have a
She
problem.
really love you, bro. She came out here and found me for you.
Yo, it's crazy.
So I smoke a little hookies with you.
What's up?
Well, I'm Dominican too. What?
She want my boy Phantom win him?
I ain't beef for that nigga, man.
Nah, what the fuck you changed there, bruh?
It was about to go down. That shit, bro.
You got a problem, bro.
Somebody had to tell him to do that, though.
Hey, you really gotta change that.
Oh, nah, bro. That's my dog.
Hey,
This a little altercation.
change it now.
Altercation. Hey, that's nice.
Oh, you here?
I fuck with Demo J's the hardest though, no cap.
Sound wild, man.
I'm working, man. Hey, look, I'm over here working, man.
Yeah, who you talking about, boy?
But that's all it take, bro. Somebody start shaking their ass, the whole strip go crazy. But no bullshit, bro. Miami is just full of niggas literally chasing after bitches, like literally chasing after bitches. You see me? I'm not going up to no bitches, bro. I'm not saying that it's anything wrong with going up to hoes,
The bit, he's the bitch magnet.
I find myself to just like chase after them, bro.
Right.
And if they ain't coming up to me, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I don't give a fuck. Hey. What's up, man? My name Duke. What's yours? Where you from?
I'm from Jasper, Florida.
Oh, so you from here? Where,
No, it's North Florida, South Georgia.
It's far?
You talking about Dabo? You talking about Dabo?
Where?
Yeah.
You ain't no boyfriend in there, right?
Huh?
You ain't no boyfriend in there, do you?
Nah, you got a girlfriend?
I'm chilling, man. You know what I'm saying?
Somebody on
I wouldn't be on the strip, you know what I'm saying?
She
Talking
cute, I
about-
fuck with her.
Yeah, man, you need to put your number in my phone.
I like how her skin is.
Alright, chill, calm down.
I didn't say nothing. You didn't, I just did a little look back.
You just made a little face, and you know what I'm saying? So shit, I didn't want to.
Right.
Nah, but when you leaving from down here?
Probably tomorrow. I've been here since
I thought she had the flip on her hand and get his number.
Friday, nah, I just got here yesterday.
Did he not get no bitch's number with the flip
I'm
on?
about to see you before you leave then.
Yeah, we gotta leave. Don't. I need a good picture, okay?
Oh yeah, I'm done.
They be doing the live chat. Hey, where the black one? I want a picture too.
Ooh, it's shiny.
Exactly, man.
What time you gonna see you in Harlem? Who the fuck is that?
He around this motherfucker.
How long y'all gonna be out here?
Shit till like Monday, Tuesday type shit.
Right.
Shit. Yeah,
I know I was looking for an old boy, but I want a fucking selfie. I don't want no
Who's old boy, Cat?
video. I want to see the
They all pretty.
mouth, honey.
I can't really look at the rest of them, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm not sure the yellow one, like, really, yeah.
Y'all know who it is. I stopped playing with him.
So what y'all doing? Why you asking?
my homeboy throwing a party and shit, but what y'all got playing?
Okay, we get it down.
Oh yeah? I need to get your number or something, man.
Where y'all from?
You say what?
Where y'all from?
On my phone. It's right here, man.
You basically.
No, what's your number?
I'll put my number in your phone.
You lying.
Hold on.
Be lying.
Oh, I'm not lying at all.
Come on, too grown to be lying.
Lying at all.
Nigga, ain't no such thing as too grown to be lying.
I didn't want to see what you know what I'm saying.
Y'all be playing. I watch your YouTube videos.
Oh yeah. Damn, boy, ain't nobody going for that, bro. Ain't nobody going for the flip phone.
Flip phone is crazy.
There's gonna be one person that do that.
I get a bitch that. What's that long?
See?
I already know.
Bitch,
Guys,
what you doing?
no lie,
How
bro.
long you been out here, man?
We just came out today.
Word.
We was here last weekend. Too active, so we had to come back. We had to come back.
Damn, it's right back there.
It was
So
too.
like Monday, I think.
What too active mean? Like no violence and shit?
Tired. Tired. What you mean tired? What you mean?
Hell yeah, you seen Kai?
Nah, I ain't seen him.
That nigga's
I
finna
seen him
be-
last year.
That He finna be on his way. This one I'm waiting on.
Y'all already know y'all. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all about to get stopped. OD. Nice to meet y'all, boys. So, my nigga.
Everybody running it. You know what, but in life, man, it's either your time or it's not. You know what I'm saying? Everybody running, man. I ain't running, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, take it. Bro, you know what, boy? Everybody ran. That's understandable. I just
Wait. Wait a fucking minute. Yo, P, what's up? Wait a fucking minute. You're telling me they just shot. They were shooting. You tell me they was shooting, and this nigga hopped the gate and said, if it's my time, it's my time. That's some wild shit. I ain't gonna lie. That's some wild shit. That's wild as hell.
He's finna be on his way. This one.
That's my type of move. That's like my twin. That's like my twin, chat.
Y'all about to get stopped. OD. Nice to meet y'all, boys. So, my nigga.
Everybody running it. You know what, but in life, man, it's either your time or it's not. You know what I'm saying? Everybody running, man. I ain't running, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, take it. Bro, you know what, boy? Everybody ran. That's understandable. I just hopped the fence, man. That's it, bro. I see you running too, nigga. Don't think I ain't see you.
Sprinting with the camera.
Yeah, I know, nigga.
I was sprinting with the camera.
When you see somebody run, you just gotta run, bro.
Hey, where my homeboys at though, man?
They going be in that. What is? I saw them. Hi.
Let me just come back.
What happened?
I'm doing great. How you doing?
Fine as fuck.
Oh, shit,
I'm sorry. I gotta give you another hug.
Okay, I appreciate it, man.
I don't know. They said they started shooting.
Hey, where was you at though? No, you wasn't. I stayed.
On my mama, you ran, nigga.
That's what I'm talking.
On my mama, this nigga ran, bro.
But he gonna say on my mama right there, bro.
On my mama, bro.
Oh my life, because of that,
You took off. You probably stopped, bro. Yeah, you definitely ran, bro.
Cap, right? This cap, ain't it?
I don't know. I saw you start. I saw you start to go, and then you.
You start jogging.
Look. I done like this right here and jumped the fence, right?
I don't know. You jogged a little bit.
No, I jumped the fence to get out of the way.
Okay, well look.
Hey, like you wild as hell. But saying he the only one you wild as hell.
I came and jumped the fence. I caught him. I said, CB, chill.
Hey, you know what?
You hear it or what?
I stopped like where the tree was at.
I'm gonna get out my car right now.
All right, bet.
You want one too?
Oh, that's fire right there. What y'all got going on later?
We ordered this party.
Word, I need to get Issa your number.
Nigga, Duke used to be a football player. Most of them niggas used to be a football player. She cute!
Hold it.
Yeah, man.
Okay, babe.
Yo.
Hey, pick it up,
right
my boy.
Okay. I'm gonna definitely be hitting you up. Nah, dead ass though.
Show.
Huh?
Show.
Show?
Yeah, show.
Spell it for me.
S-H-O-W.
Oh.
Oh, shout.
Right there. All I had to do was.
I said show is shout.
Good.
I said this one right here.
I guess I just gotta keep it calm, bro. I need to do a part 2 in Atlanta or something, right? Man, 70K for the part 2 in Atlanta, man. No cap, man. Getting females number with this flip phone right here is crazy. I'm not chasing after females, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm just letting them come up to me, bro. They rizzing me up, bro. I ain't rizzing, you know what I'm saying, them up. But that's a lot of motherfucking problem, bro. Like every nigga out here is chasing.
Why some niggas in the back of no church?
So now you filling up the bitch's head thinking that they the shit whole time, bro. The niggas is chasing, bro. Just chill. You know what I'm saying? That type shit. Hold on, what
You motherfucker do this?
Dina.
Yeah.
Well, nice to meet you.
YouTube?
Nah, I actually just bought this motherfucker the other day, so I'm just trying shit out.
Hey.
Hell yeah. Where you from?
Michigan.
Word.
Yeah.
You know what? I need to get your number, man. Yep, put your phone in there right there, man. Okay. Oh shit! You know what? you a very good, kind-hearted individual, man. You ain't judge me at all right here. Yeah, man. Nah, that's
How you
tough,
studying
man.
that shit? How you
That's fire right there, man. You went straight forward though. Well, I like to see right there, man.
This is my friend. This is my friend Pari.
I just bought this.
This is my
motherfucker,
friend
bro.
Pari. Okay.
Nah, I just bought this motherfucker. It's crazy. I'm gonna tell girls I'm an electrician.
Oh, what? What you doing?
This is my friend Pari.
I stand in the corner of my eye.
I look good. I'm a famous TikTok.
I see the little buckle shorty, but okay.
Oh, what? What you be doing on there?
Sorry, the bread. I be doing anything goofy.
That motherfucker something slight.
For sure. Well, nice to meet you,
Send
man.
me your
Nice to
location.
meet you too. Yes, ma'am. Bro, why the fuck I come back from being on the strip? Me and Davo been on the strip. The rest of the fellas got fat bitches eating all the snacks and shit. Hey, I just see.
You hear that motherfucker got no clue.
Nah, fat bitch eating snacks is crazy.
Ain't nothing wrong. Sharing this camera.
Infinity, you a bitch.
Nigga, we ain't even really ate nothing like that. They goddamn, she going in there getting 3-4 gummy bears. Psh, the fellas tripping, man. Damn, bro.
Nah, fat bitch eating all the snacks is crazy. I ain't gonna lie, chat. You know, fat bitch eating my snacks, that shit dead.
Sipping on drinks, it turned to a hobby. I don't know nobody that can stop me. I ain't even trying to sound cocky. Give me your throat, I don't want your body. G23 turn his head to spaghetti. We got a rabbit on bitches daily. Bad little bitch.